Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a desktop wallpaper in Canva and sell this skill on Fiverr. This is a very low competition keyword desktop wallpaper, so you can easily rank on Fiverr first page and start making money online. So let's go to Fiverr and I will show you is there is a demand of this skill or not. So I am going to Fiverr and here I type desktop wallpaper and you can see there are only 147 services available, means that there are only 147 freelancers which are providing this service. So uh, we can see that the first one got 30 reviews with 5-star review, and let's analyze his gig. So I open his gig in the next window. So let's analyze his gig. So in this basic package he only give one wallpaper, desktop or mobile, with simple basic details, and the size he mentioned the size. After that, standard package. In standard package he charged $25 and only give one wallpaper, and he increased the size. And after that, $50 one wallpaper and multicolor, and also increase the size, means 8K. So I will teach you how you can create a desktop wallpaper with some simple steps and sell this service on Fiverr. So that's it for the Fiverr part, and let's go to Canva and start learning this skill. You can also check his gig and analyze his gig and make your gig according to it, and don't copy paste his gig, but take an idea from his gig and write this description on your own gig. So let's go to Canva and start learning. In Canva I write in search bar desktop wall. So desktop wallpaper, I click on this and it show me different templates, and we can easily customize any of the template and sell this to our clients. So these are the ready-made templates. You just need to customize this, or you can also sell these to your clients. So I click on create a blank desktop wallpaper. So I choose one of the template and start creating from scratch. So it is loading, the loading speed based on the internet speed, so let's wait for some seconds. So it is loaded, and there are many templates. We can easily customize these templates, but I want to search some other templates, so I write here cat. Yeah, so it provide me different wallpapers including cat. So I choose this one and let's customize this. So first of all I would like to change the background color, and wait a second. So I want to, yes, this color is fine, and I want to change the text color white and increase the size. That's good. And I also change this text color in white and increase some size. And after that I go to photos, and here I search cat, So I choose one of the cats. So that's it. Our wallpaper is done. You can create a wallpaper from scratch and do your creativity and sell this skill on Fiverr. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn this skill and start earning online. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.